Hi, today I'm going to walk you through a demonstration of our KC Online counterfeit application. For the purposes of the demonstration, I'm going to walk you through how we can identify a fraudulent good by scanning the barcode, create a case within our case management tool, and show you then how a case can be held within our system to be processed through to resolution. As you can see in front of me, we have a mobile phone, so we're using an emulator here to reflect our mobile application. Installed on our mobile phone, we have the KC Online Counterfeit Management application. So when we scroll through to the application, it opens, we then select Scan Barcode. This now enables us to hover the phone over the barcode. Once it's auto-recognised the barcode, it identifies the product which we're looking at, and in this case it is razor blades. What you can see on the screen now is when we go through and look at the real product, then how we can compare the real product against a potential counterfeit goods. So this is performing a lookup against the database and bringing back all photos and references of how to identify fraudulent activities. Once we've identified that the product is fraudulent, we can then enter some details onto the mobile application, which are then passed through into the case. So here now what I'm entering is a location of where we found this fraudulent item. Here we're saying it was Wikimart North Street in Portsmouth. Then we're also going to enter a description. This description is going to tell us what area of the product we identified was fraudulent. So here we're saying that it was the blade wells. Once we've entered these three text boxes, we can then take a photo of the fraudulent good. So you can see we're taking a picture of the fraudulent razor blades. We've now selected OK. This has now been captured on our mobile application, and we're now going to click on Send Report. Now what the application is doing, we're now creating a case within our case management solution. So this case is then going to contain all of the details which we've entered in our mobile device, and it then be passed through to a case investigator. Here you can see it's created the case, and the case ends in 497. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up our KC Online Advanced Case Management application, and I'm just then going to run a search. So it just repopulates the screen. Now we're opening our case, it ends in 497. So once this case is opened, you'll see that the actual case is split into several areas where you have the case details, the documents, you have any case notes, and the viewer. The viewer, this will then contain an image of the photograph which we took related to the fraudulent goods. As you can see on the right hand side, we then have our case notes which contain the barcode and identify what the product is, which was fraudulent. And then we also have our additional documents which then identify whether the product was identify that our product was a fake. We're now then able, using our case management application, to process this case through to resolution. By clicking on the checklist tabs, we can then tailor a checklist for how an investigator should process this case through to resolution using the business processes. So this now concludes my demonstration on the KC Online Counterfeit module.